Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Chicken marination preparation. 1.5 kg chicken, approximately 8 pieces. Place cuts on both the sides. Enough water to soak the chicken. 1 tablespoon fruit vinegar. Soak for 15 minutes. Drain the water after 15 minutes. 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoon paprika or red chili paste. Red chili paste, recipe in the description box. Mix well. Add chicken. Coat the chicken in the spices nicely. Marinate for 4 hours or overnight in refrigerator. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Half teaspoon black salt. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon garam masala powder. Garam masala, recipe in the description box. 2 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon pizza cheese. Mix well. 4 tablespoons curd. Curd, recipe in the description box. Tandoori masala. Mix well. Add the prepared masala to the chicken. Marinate for 2 hours. With oven tandoori preparation. Apply butter on the baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Without oven tandoori preparation. Heat the non-stick pan with 10 grams butter. Spread the butter evenly. Cook on high flame for 3 minutes. Flip the side. Cover and cook on medium flame till tender. Tandoori is ready. Arrange the tandoori in big vessel. Pour melted butter on top. Place a small bowl or plate over the chicken. Put the burning coal on the plate. 1 teaspoon oil. Give coal smoke for 2 minutes. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.